Hello from California. I live in Oak Park, California, and I just wanted to share my experience working with Mr. L. And the reason why I say that I was able to take my success as an as an engineer and become an online entrepreneur full time. And I just wanted to really, I don't, come out and say this because it really helps when you have the right person on your team who can guide you and teach you all, like what do you need to do and literally give you those right steps, turning my company from making under $1,000 to a 6 7 figure salary is completely doable. You just need to take these classes. You need the right coach, right guidance, because most of the time people who are in the industry that we're trying to get into have already had success in there. So that's why it's so important for us to jump at these opportunities, have our right mentors, and be more realistic about what we can make happen. Because honestly, without Mr. L, I wouldn't be able to do it. And this program is something that I believe everyone should be interested in because honestly, the sky's the limit. So, yeah, thank you, Mr. L, for helping me out.